I am Professor Amit Shankar, Associate Professor in the area of marketing at Indian Institute of Management, Visakhapatnam. So this program we designed for the professionals. As we all know that today market is of digitalization. One report is saying that number of transactions we are making in 1 month is equal to number of transactions US is making in 3 years. So we can understand the amount of digitalization which is going on in the Indian scenario. And for us, it's important to understand those changes which is happening. And for that, we have designed this course we call Digital Marketing and Growth. In this course, we will understand how to use different digital channels, how to manage the website, how to create the website, how to do search engine optimization, search engine marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, affiliate marketing. We will understand all these tools, techniques, and strategy which help us in creating an ecosystem where we can harness the power of digital and social media platform. We designed this course with the combination of lectures, simulations, capstone projects, and interactive sessions. This program is very unique program in the sense we will not only learn the tools, techniques, and hacks of digital marketing, which definitely most of the people fascinated of. Definitely we'll talk about these tools and techniques, but the unique proposition we are proposing in this course is the strategy. In a specific situation, how you can use those strategy to solve certain problem or to get the growth of your organization or growth of your career. After attending this program, all the professionals will get several benefits. First benefit you will get that you can be the expertise in a specific domain of digital and social media marketing. You can change your vertical. Also, you can start your own venture where you can consult people on digital and social media marketing domain. You can work as freelancer. You can also start your own blog or on platform where you can suggest other people how they can perform better in digital and social media marketing platform. Definitely this course will help you not only to understanding the subject but also understanding some of the practical things which people are doing nowadays in current world. So that will help you in updating yourself in current competitive dynamics. After completing this job, you will get different opportunity like SEO specialist, search engine marketing specialist, email marketing specialist, content marketer, freelancer, website manager, campaign manager, advertising manager, affiliate marketing specialist, e-commerce specialist. So this course will not only provide the learning, but also provide you several avenues where you can work and excel in your professional careers. We always believe in synergy, and we have created synergy when we partnered with Jaro Education. Jaro Education, as we all know, is one of the best edutech firm in India, and definitely they are growing their fit into the global market too. When we launched the first program of DMG, Jaro Education helped us not only in the marketing of the course, but also providing the technical support. And I am very proud and pleased to share with you all that this collaboration take this course to the next level, where we are only providing the content, knowledge to you, but end of the day, this channel or communication between you and me is very smooth due to all the support provided by Jaro. So definitely this synergy between Jaro and IIM Visakhapatnam is creating different value proposition, enhanced communication, smooth communication, and better delivery in terms of learning. Indian Institute of Management Visakhapatnam established in the year 2017 under the Ministry of Education, Government of India. In this small duration of 8 years, IIM Visakhapatnam reached some of the milestones which older IIM are struggling to get. We are the only IIM who got Dr. Ambedkar Professor Chairship. In some of the parameters of NIRF, we are better than the established IIMs, and we are growing day in, day out with the support of all the stakeholders of the organizations.